So now 20th question. In the given figure ABCD is a square, EF is parallel to BD and R is the midpoint of EF. Prove that BE is equal to DF, AR bisects angle BAD. If AR is produced, it will pass through, AR is produced, it will pass through. See, that means we have to prove that AC is the diagonal. Okay. Now first one we will see. So BD is diagonal, correct? BD is diagonal. So BD is diagonal means always diagonal bisects the angle. So that means each angle will be how much? Here 90 degree. All the sides it is 90 degree. All the angles will be 90 degree. So therefore we can say, what we can say? We can say angle ABD. This implies angle ABD is equal to angle ADB is equal to 45 degree. It is 45 degree. And angle DBE also, DBE is equal to angle BDF and also is equal to how much? 45 degree. Both angles are 45, 45. So since BD is parallel to EF, since BD is parallel to EF, we can say angle FEC, this is also angle FEC is equal to angle EFC, that is also equal to 45 degree because corresponding angles, isn't it? So what we did here, BD is the diagonal, therefore diagonal divides the angle into two equal halves, vertex angle into equal halves, therefore 45 degree, 45 degree. Angle ABD is equal to angle ADB, 45 degree, or angle DBE is equal to angle BDF also equal to 45 degree, or BDC or DBC. So this is 45 degree. So therefore these two angles are 45 degree means these two sides are also equal, correct? So this implies in triangle EFC, EC is equal to FC because angle FCC is equal to angle EFC. Now what you have to prove? B is equal to DF. B and DF are equal, you have to prove. So BC minus EC is equal to BC minus EC is equal to BC minus EC is equal to DC minus FC. So what is BC minus EC? BC and CD are equal. EC and FC are also equal. If I subtract equal minus equal, we will get equals only. So therefore BC minus EC, I will get B is equal to DC minus CF is equal to DF. So this is the first proof. Second proof. So what you have to prove? AR bisects angle BAD. AR bisects angle BAD. So first we have to prove the congruence of these two triangles. Next we have to prove the congruence of these two triangles. In triangle ABE and AFD. So tell the congruency part. So AB is equal to AD. Isn't it? Similarly, BE is equal to DF. That also we proved. BE is equal to DF. Proved. This is sides of square ABCD. Isn't it? Okay. We have proved. And angles also is there. Angle ABE is equal to angle ADF. is equal to 90 degrees. So now, so this is hypotenuse, but we cannot take ASA, we can, sorry, SAS we can, yes, yes, yes. So therefore we can say triangle ABE is congruent to triangle AFD. Yes, yes, isn't it? So therefore we can say by CPCT these two angles are equal. These two angles. Therefore this implies angle BAE is equal to angle DAF. Angle DAF CPCT. So we have proved the one triangle. Next I will take the triangles, these two triangles, angle AER, triangle AER and a triangle AFR. Triangle AER in triangle AER and AFR. So what we can say in this triangle, one is common side, AR is equal to AR, common, one more side is there, ER is equal to FR, ER is equal to FR, that is R is midpoint of EF. Okay, now we only proved AE is equal to AF. AE is equal to EAF. So proved. So therefore we can say triangle AER is congruent to triangle AFR on the basis of SSS. So this implies two angles are also equal. Angle EAR is equal to angle FAR by CPCT. So this equation 4, this equation 3 I will keep. Add 3 and 4. Angle BAE plus angle EAR is equal to angle DAF plus angle FAR. So angle BAE plus EAR is nothing but angle BAR. Angle BAR is equal to angle DAF plus angle FAR is nothing but DAR. So what it shows? So these two angles are equal. Angle BAR is equal to angle DAR means, therefore this implies AR is bisecting. This implies AR is bisects angle BAD. Isn't it? So this is the second part of the question. So note down these points. So now third part of this question. So what is the third part of this question? You have to prove AR is produced, it will pass through C. So now AR is bisecting the angle BAD. We proved now. AR bisects angle BAD. Proved. And also AR bisects another diagonal, bisects the diagonal BD at O. That means It is bisecting the angle and also it is bisecting at poles. Therefore, AR is a part of diagonal AC. So this implies if AR is produced, what happens? If AR is produced, it will pass through C. It will pass through C. For this region we can say it is passing through C. What is the region? AR is bisecting angle BAD. Definitely in square, diagonal bisects the vertex angle. Correct? Second region, AR bisects, it is bisecting BD at the O. So therefore, AR is part of a diagonal AC. If AR is produced, definitely it will pass through C. It will pass through C. So write down these answers.